What's up, YouTubers? Today we will be replacing the wipers on a Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD High Country. These wiper blades are $28.99 and I got them on Amazon. And they're actually much better quality than the OEMs. I called the local dealership and they wanted $60, which is too dang high. To remove these blades, it is extremely simple. There is a button on the main arm. You press it and it releases the wiper blade. Make sure not to do this. Dropping the arm can chip or crack your windshield. Here we're replacing the passenger side. I am going to use a flathead. It is not necessary, but it makes it more easy. You press straight down and hook to your left. This should disengage it from the arm.
Up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind.
Huge difference. And I believe the original blades it had on were from 2016. They were making a lot of friction and a bunch of streaks, so this is night and day. And another look from the inside. And these things are leaving the windshield crystal clear. Here's a look at the originals, and the rubber was basically falling off at this point. It's been around 4 or 5 years since these have been on. And this corrosion happens from the sun, from driving in the elements, or the snow. So make sure to replace these to get the most visibility out of your windshield. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed.